Hi, thinking about body wraps for weight loss? You're not alone. We're all on the lookout for that next big hack to drop a few pounds. Whether it's a trendy diet, a wild workout, or, yep, those magical sounding wraps. But what's the real deal with body wraps? Do they actually work, or are they just another hype train you shouldn't hop on? Stick around and let's break it down. Here's the deal. Body wraps are all the rage, claiming to help you lose inches, drop weight, and tone that loose skin. Some even promise you'll lose a few pounds in just 30 to 90 minutes. But here's the thing, it's not all magic and fairy dust. Most of these claims come from people who've used body wraps and say they work. But let's face it, we can't always trust anecdotal evidence without a little science behind it. Some people swear by neoprene body wraps, which are kind of like wrapping plastic wrap around your belly. The idea? They claim to make you lose weight by raising your core temperature and making you sweat like crazy, especially if you wear them while exercising. Sounds great until you remember that sweating just loses water weight. So yes, you might hop on the scale and see a smaller number, but it's not fat loss, it's dehydration. And if you're not replacing fluids, well, that can lead to dehydration or even overheating. Yikes. And if you think all body wraps are created equal, think again. There are spa treatments that involve heat wraps with fancy creams, slimming wraps with herbal lotions, detox wraps that are supposed to pull toxins out of your body, and even infrared wraps. These wraps might make your skin feel tighter and smoother temporarily, but let's be real here. It's mostly a cosmetic effect. Once you take the wrap off, the magic goes with it. Sorry to burst that bubble. Here's how they work if you're curious. Some wraps, both spa treatments and DIY ones, contain things like mud, clay, herbs, and lotions. You wrap them tightly around your body, leave them on for 30 to 90 minutes, and then rinse off and moisturize. Some wraps rely on heat, sweating, or herbal effects to give you that smooth transformation vibe, but remember, it's temporary. You can use them at home or head to a spa for the full experience. Just make sure you follow the directions carefully. But let's be real. Before you jump into a body wrap, you should keep a few things in mind. First, if you're using herbal wraps, check the ingredients to make sure nothing's going to irritate your skin. Second, be aware that tight compression from body wraps can cause some unwanted side effects. And most importantly, you've got to stay hydrated. They make you sweat, which makes you lose water, not fat. So drink up. Here's the bottom line. Body wraps might leave your skin feeling smooth and soft, but they're not a long-term weight loss solution. Sure, you might lose a few pounds after a session, but it's mostly water weight. If you really want to lose weight and keep it off, the only proven method is a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. That's right, good old-fashioned lifestyle changes. So there you have it. Body wraps? Cool for a quick pampering session and smooth skin vibes, but don't count on them for long-term fat loss. Keep it real, stay active, eat healthy, and save your money for something more effective. Hope this clears things up. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health hacks and tips. Thanks for watching.